Hi, my name is Amani.
And I'm Isaac.
Welcome to 2020 End of the Year Assembly.
We're going to be your host for today. First, we have Seth leading the acknowledgement of country.
Here's the land, and here's the sky. Here are my friends, and here am I. I know it's the elders of Kulin Nation, past, present, and future, on whose land we learn today.
Thank you, Seth and his team. And now, can you please stand up for the national anthem?
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are young and free, with golden soil and wealth fertile. Our home is good by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page let every state and dance Australia fair. Enjoy our strains and let us sing. And that's Australia fair.
Now we would like to introduce our Principal Ashwani.
Thank you, Isaac and Amani. You're doing a great job there. Just wanted to say to all our students, families, and staff members for the work you've done this year in making 2020 a great year despite all the challenges we've faced. We know the pandemic wasn't the ideal situation for us, but it has really brought our school community together, and it has been a real pleasure to celebrate the achievements we've made in the last couple of weeks. I especially want to say best wishes to all the families and students who will be leaving us and our graduating students. I hope you've had a chance to log on to the YouTube channel and participate in your last assembly for your school year. And without saying many more words, I want to wish all of you a very happy festive season. Enjoy the holidays, keep safe, and now we have to give some awards to people who have really worked hard and earned this Special Principals Award. The first award goes to Loki for excellent work in STEAM and Minecraft, and for leadership and mentoring his peers in Minecraft Shared Community Project. Loki. Congratulations, Loki.
Thanks, Ashwani.
Next award goes to Oliver Wainwright. It's a Specialist Team Principals Award, and it is for Oliver's positive attitude towards learning in all specialist classes at school and during remote learning. Oliver, please come and take your award. Oliver, well done. Congratulations. Fantastic work. And our Principals Award in the primary goes to Obey for engaging in remote learning and participating in small tasks. Well done. The next Principals Award from upper primary goes to Eloise Persclone. Eloise gets this award for her amazing improvement in writing skills. Well done, Eloise. Eloise, do you want to just share with us what you do as a writer?
Well, we're writing about Santa on the list, and we do like a lot of writing in it.
Fantastic. So you made a list for Santa?
Yes.
Wow.
On a book reader. I did a lot of writing on book reader and on maths.
Great work. I'm sure Santa will be reading that list.
Yeah.
Well done. Congratulations.
I haven't seen Santa.
Thank you. Congratulations to all the students who got their award, and over to Amani and Isaac.
Thanks, Ashwani.
Now, we'd like to move on to Katrine for the PBIS Awards.
Thank you, Isaac and Amani. I have the pleasure now of presenting the PBIS Awards for the main campus here, and the first award I have is from the lower primary. And this student is receiving this award for demonstrating all three school values of learning, working together and respect all day, every day. And the award is going to Faye. Come on over, Faye. Good girl. Well done. Here's your award. What a great girl, demonstrating all the school values. Our next PBIS award is for the upper primary, and this student is receiving this award for his massive growth in regulating his emotions. Can I have Abdullah Adnan from Pod 2? Come on up, Abdullah. This is for you. Well done. Yeah. Can you say hi? Well done. Amazing work. Thank you, Abdullah. That's for you. Now back to Isaac and Amani.
Thanks, Katrina. Now we would like to pass it on to Danielle from BRC.
Thank you, Amani and Isaac. Just want to say congratulations to everyone for working so hard this year. You have all done amazing work during remote learning and back on site. I am so proud of all of the students of Warringah Park School. I'm very honoured to present the Principals Award for 2020. This student has displayed excellence in learning, resilience and positive behaviours in every class. Congratulations to Shannon. Well done, Shannon. Good job. That's for you. Cool. Give a thumbs up. The next award is on behalf of the specialist team, and this student is receiving this award for his motivation during remote learning and his amazing independent fitness videos. Congratulations, Michael Morris. Well done. Do you want to say anything?
Well, I want to say thank you for giving the reward, Danielle, and yeah, I'm happy now, and thank you for giving the reward, and yeah.
The next award is the PBIS Award, and the student is receiving this award for outstanding leadership, respect and working together throughout this year in all learning areas. This student has been a great support and friend to new students in his class this year. Congratulations, Wesley.
Thank you, Danielle.
Oh, welcome.
I want to thank everybody for supporting me and trying my best here and be on Bethany Road campus. Back to you, Danielle.
Thanks everyone. Back to you, Amani and Isaac.
Thank you, Danielle.
Now we're going to move on to Tim at Kaylee's Road.
Isaac and Amani. My name is Tim Hilton. I'm the Assistant Principal at Kaylee's Road campus. It's been quite the year at Kaylee's Road with lots of extensions happening, but I'm here to present our Principals Award, our PBIS Awards, and our Specialist Award. First up, we're going to have our Principals Award for 2020, and this goes to a student for outstanding achievement and transitioning successfully onto a new campus and also a full-time schedule. So, congratulations to Joshua Walsh. Hi.
Say thank
Stand with
you.
me. Stand here. I'll take this.
Say good job.
Good job. High five. Well done, Josh. Thank you. Our next award is our Specialist Team Principals Award. And this award goes to a student for being present and engaged in every lesson, showing gratitude and trying new things with a smile always on his face. So, congratulations to Asakulu Mamunga.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Here you are. What do you say?
Thank you, team.
Oh, you're very much welcome. Thank you, Asakulu. And next up, we have our PBIS Awards. So, our first of our PBIS Awards is for our 11 and 12 cohort. And this student is receiving this award for always modelling the school values of respect, learning and working together. So, congratulations to Ben Rinali. Here you go, Ben. Well done. So, thank you. Oh, you're very much welcome. Good job, Ben. Okay, and now the last of our PBIS awards is for our 9 and 10 cohort. And this award is going to a student for working hard on his positive behaviour plan, his communication, his uniform, and becoming an all-round superhero in the classroom. So, congratulations to Badrul! There you go. You can hold this. Gee. Should we we stay here for a photo? Okay, that's all the awards from Kaylee's Road, so I'm going to flick back over to Isaac and Amani, but for me, it's back off to the side. Have a good one, guys.
Thanks, Tim, and nice to know that you're wearing a safety hat.
Now we have Oringa Park School 2020 video.
To plan for remote, flexible, distance learning. If you can learn from home, you must learn from home. Classes will resume, first of all, from 6 p.m. tonight for all students. Declaring a state of disaster. Specialist schools, they will return to face-to-face learning also.
Merry Christmas, everyone. See you in 2021.
That's all the time we have for today of the Assembly of 2020. Bye.
Bye.
Everyone.